Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, we will know that how can we add a clickable link on our Instagram story. So this video is all about how can we add links on our Instagram story. Like if you had YouTube channel, so how can you produce that? Or how can you promote that video on your Instagram story? So for this setting, you just have to check that you have updated your Instagram application or not. If you have not updated it, just go on the App Store. If you're using on iPhone, go to the App Store and install the application from there. And if you're using an Android mobile phone, so go on the Google Play Store and update the application from here. After updating it, the first step is to go on the Instagram here like this, and I will find swipe to the left and go on the story option here and select a photo. For that, like this is my photo. In this photo I want to add any clickable link. So like this is a restaurant, I will add that address on this link here. What we have to do, click on the third option called stickers here, just like this, and you will see a lot of option like location, mention, add yours, photos, music, poll, and the option called link. Click on this. You can just paste your URL there and click on the done option, and you can add link in your Instagram story. This video is all about this, how can you add this link. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and if you have any doubt, any question, or any confusion regarding any application or any topic, so drop it into the comment section. We will surely help you out. Thank you so much for watching the video.